Wabarakatuh. How are you, my dear students? Today's lesson is about indefinite articles, a or an, for 11th grade. Let's start with our lesson. The indefinite article an. Use an before nouns that begin with a vowel sound. So when I have a noun or a word starts with vowel sound, I should use before it an. For example, an hour, hour. So we can hear that hour start with a. This sound is called vowel, an hour. An umbrella, umbrella. So it sounds like a, an umbrella. An apple. So apple starts with a vowel and we use with it an. Elephant, an elephant. I use with elephant also an. Whenever I have a word starts with a vowel sound, I should use an before it to make it indefinite. Indefinite article a. Use a before nouns that begin with a consonant sounds. Consonant. An is for vowel sounds, as in green, but a is for consonant sounds. For example, I have a car, car, so it starts with k, not a, so I use with it a car, a car, a hat, a hat, a uniform, uniform, so it's u, not a, u, I should use with it a uniform. A banana, 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 b, a banana. Book, a book. Book starts with b, so I use with it a book. It's for indefinite article, a or an. They come, a or an, we are talking about uses of them. They come before singular countable nouns only. Just before singular and countable. So if the noun is plural, we can't use a or an. If it's uncountable, we can't use it. Examples: an hour. So hour is singular and countable. A banana. Banana is singular and countable. An apple. Also the same thing. An elephant. Elephant is singular and countable. A car. So car is singular and countable. A hat, the same thing. A uniform. Uniform is singular and countable. An umbrella, the same thing. And a book. Book also singular and countable. As I said, they don't come before plural nouns. Plural examples: pens. I have many pens, so I can't use a or an. Just pens. Cars, apples, students. Also, they don't come before uncountable nouns. For example, water. I can't say a water. It's incorrect. So I should say just water. I can use some, but it's not our lesson. Information, milk, rain. Every noun which is uncountable, I can't use indefinite articles with it. Uses of indefinite article. When I use indefinite articles a or an, first of all, you should keep in mind that the uses of a and an is the same. So a and an share the same uses, but just they are different when we are talking about a word that begins with vowel or consonant. First, person's job. When I'm talking about a job for a person, I should use the indefinite article. For example, she's an optician. She's an optician. He's a doctor. So a doctor, an optician. Whenever I'm talking about person's job, I should use indefinite articles. Someone or something for the first time. I have a paragraph, I have a text, and I'm talking about something and it's the first time. So I should use the indefinite article. We saw an elephant in the zoo. An elephant. Third, a person or a thing, but not a special person or a thing. In general, I'm talking about anything in general. I should use indefinite article. For example, to write a letter, I mean any letter, I need a piece of paper, also any paper, a pen, and an envelope. So I repeat the example. To write a letter, I need a piece of paper, a pen, and an envelope. So when I'm talking about a thing or a person, but I'm talking about it in general, not for a specific thing. Fourth, one. When I'm using the indefinite articles, it refers to that this thing is only one, not two, three, or four of something. For example, her letter was only a page long, a page. So I received a letter from her, and this letter was just one paper, only one paper. So I use a, just to refer that it's paper, one. He has won £1 million Syrian pounds. £1 million Syrian pounds. £1 million. He won just 1 million. This is the meaning. So let's make a quick revision. Uses of indefinite articles, a or an. First, person's job, someone or something for the first time, a person or a thing, but not a special person or thing, one, not two, three, or four of something. Now I have a test. This test you can find in activity book, page 42, exercise number 2. What does your father do? He is a or an accountant. A or an, what should I choose? Accountant. It starts with a. Yes, you are right. He is an accountant. An accountant because accountant starts with a vowel. Okay, let's go on. Does he work in a or an office? Office. Office start with o. It's vowel, yes, you are right, and we should use an. Does he work in an office? In an office. An office. This is the first sentence. The second sentence or dialogue. Have you got a or an pen? Pen starts with p. What should I use? Yes, you are right. A pen. Have you got a pen? I could borrow, please. I want to leave a or an note for my parents. Note, n is a consonant, so I use a note. Yes, here are you. Do you need a or an sheet of paper and a or an envelope? Do you need a or an sheet? Sheet. So sh. It's consonant. Yes, a sheet of paper and a or an envelope. Envelope. So envelope starts with a vowel and I should use an. The sentence becomes, yes, here are you. Do you need a sheet of paper and an envelope? No, thanks. This is the end of our lesson. I wish you the best wishes. Your teacher, Muhammad Al-Sadiq.